YouTube, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Von Keith the Artist. We are bringing you another top tier haircut all the way from Atlanta, Georgia in my suite. Today we're just doing a tutorial on how to do hairlines made simple. So I did prep the hairline with my OG Walker pre-write spray and my Smash the Legend holding spray. It helps my razor blade glide better. It helps create sharper lines for my client. I'm constructing his hairline with my razor. Why do I start with the razor first? Only because everyone's hairline is different. Everybody's asymmetric as well. The razor gives me a chance to construct the silhouette of the hairline without doing any pushbacks. Just in case if I have to push one side up with the trimmers, I can, but if not, I can leave it where it is. Now I'm hitting it with my wall detailers, the sharpened and the modified. Shout out to my boy Clipper Grinder. Thank you so much. Those blades are hitting like easy money, and they're bringing me easy money. Thank you. While I'm tapping and going, because that's how he makes his blades. I tap and go, and I follow up with the razor. Tap and go, follow up with the razor. Now my client, as you can see, his hairline is it's different. You know, he has the perfect box, but his hair shape is a little different. We have to construct his hairline with his hair shape, which can be kind of complicated sometimes. In my essence, I take about 15 minutes, 20 minutes at the most with my hairline. Take your time, don't rush it, there's no need to rush. Another tip I would like to add, always comb through your hairlines as you're going through. Don't just tap and go, tap and go. Tap, comb, go. Tap, comb, and go. Now today, this particular client, he loves to get the Nas hook or the Nas part, however y'all like to call it. I've been doing the part since 2014, but while I was in barber school, my instructor, he broke it down in the easiest way for me to make the part. So basically, you want to start with it slanted, and then you want to come to the top of the hook and begin with your blades flat. You can see it in the video to where I have my blades flat on the top of the hook and my blades slanted and curved where it needs to be curved. Always remember, when you're doing your designs or any type of parts, start with your bottom blade first. So start with the opposite side first in order to make your initial silhouette, and to widen the part or put any other different type of dynamics on it, you go with the top of the blade just to make it look just to make it pop a little bit more. I use my ball magic pencils only to make sure all of my lines are even, all of my lines are correct. Now I'm about to hit it with some foam wrap. The foam wrap lays the hair down really, really good. It also prepares the hair. It moisturizes the hair really well, because I always sit my clients under the dryer if they have a low cut. If you have a low cut, I'm gonna hit you with the foam wrap, shea butter, oil, do-rag. You're going under the dryer. It lays the hair down really good because it makes the client's hair not look so shabby, especially if they're doing a big chop. Once again, this is just a quick video, so I'm screen scrubbing through my enhancements. My client does prefer enhancements. I'm a big fan of enhancements. I'm a big fan of natural lines. It doesn't matter with me. All of my cuts are going to be A1. All of them are going to be top tier. So with that being said, I'm just doing the pancake method on his hairline. I'm spraying my holding spray first, hitting it with the hair fibers, and then spraying the holding spray again, and then hitting it with the dryer. Pancake. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm just making sure there's not any hair hanging over the hairline. I'm just, adding my finishing touches on it, hitting it with one last hairline just to make sure everything is crispy. It looks good, it looks good, it looks good, it looks great, it looks wonderful. Voila, there goes the haircut. It's beautiful. The fade is nice. It contrasts with the hairline really well. Now you know how to do a Nas part, which is perfect. Please like, comment, and subscribe for me. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. Hit the notification bell. I'm going to be dropping videos every week. Not once a week, not twice a week, at least 3 times a week. But you can't gain knowledge if you don't put forth the effort. And I'm giving you nothing but game, nothing but knowledge. The top tier way is barbering done right. You can't miss out with that. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Once again, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We all trying to get paid. Peace.